Getting started with HTML. HTML is the most widely used language for creating web pages. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages or HTML documents are linked together. The link available in web page is called hypertext. The World Wide Web, WW, created the HTML in late 1991. As the web grew, so did the vehicle or mode of communication. In 1995, HTML 2.0 specification was published. In the same year, HTML 3.0 draft specification expired without being recommended. But in 1997, HTML 3.2 became the World Wide Web Consortium or W3C recommendation. In late 1997, the public draft of 4 HTML 4.0 was released and officially recommended by W3C. In 1990, HTML 4.0, there was no version of HTML for so many years. In 2014, HTML5 was published and became the W3C recommendation. In 2016, HTML 5.1 was published and became the W3C recommendation. In 2017, HTML 5.2 was published and now the W3C recommendation. New features were introduced and things that are no longer part of the modern web platform were removed. HTML editors. We use HTML editors to write HTML documents. Notepad is the default text editor for Windows and TextEdit for Mac. A simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. However, for succeeding lessons, we will use Notepad++ as our text editor. Notepad++ is a free code editor for use with Microsoft Windows. It supports editing and allows working with multiple open files in the single window. Notepad++ environment. The Notepad++ environment has the following parts. Title bar, which is this. New to Notepad++. The title bar shows the file name and the file type of the current file. It also used to show the file location. Tab bar, which is the new to plus. This is the tab bar. Tab bar, it gives access to all open files. Line number. Line number identifies the location of the line of codes. once we click the Run menu, we click Run or F5. Close a file. There are different ways to close a file. Then we click the Save button and we will try to run this web page. Where is it? Save as. Again, HTML document demos. We will save it on the desktop. So we can run it. Hit the My Page.html. Let's just wait. The computer is a little bit slow. We'll try to refresh it. And again. Wait a little bit. This is my first web page. Now you can see the output. This is my first web page. HTML, elements, and tags. The HTML codes like HTML head, which is this, HTML head, and the body are called elements. HTML uses elements to describe the structure of the web page. Elements are the building blocks of the web page that are represented by tags. So this is the tag. head tag, HTML tag, title, and the body tag. Elements are usually made of two tags, which is the opening and the closing tag in the HTML tag. In the head, this is it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, much better. This is the right structure. Head, opening, and the closing tag of the head. Title, opening tag, and the closing tag of the title. Open tag of the body, and the closing tag of the body. Attributes. Elements can contain attributes. Attributes provide additional information about the contents of an element. We add attributes in the opening tag of the element. Attributes are made up of two parts: attributes name and the value, which are separated by the equal sign. So this is the attributes name, which is the BG color, and the value, which is the color yellow. So opening tag attribute name equals to value, content, closing tag. So this is the content, this is the value, and this is the attributes name. So this document will show that the background color of this web page is yellow. So if we try to open it, so this will be the output, the background color of this web page. Okay, now let's try to do the activity 1. We will open a new document. Get familiar with the HTML document structure. Open your HTML editor, create a HTML document to produce web page below. Save your file, follow the file name format specified by your teacher. So the file name will be hobby and the title will be hobby. So we will start with doc type, opening tag of the HTML, and the closing tag of the HTML. Next will be the head, opening head tag and the closing head tag of the HTML. Next, the title. The title will be hobby. The closing tag and the opening tag of the body. And we'll try to write a hobby. Now we'll try to save the file, save as. Hobby.html. Okay, where is it? Okay, there is it. Hit the click button, icon of the hobby.html, and now this is it. A hobby is a regular activity that is done for enjoyment during one's leisure or spare time. So this will be the output on the activity 1.